Welcome to Pebbles channel. Now we have learnt the Passé Composé, that is the past tense, and we also know how to conjugate a verb in the present tense. So today we are going to begin by practicing Passé Composé. So first I will show you a dialogue where we use Passé Composé in the negative form. You already know how to do it, but we will read this passage and then we will practice Passé Composé a little more. So are you ready? Shall we begin? So now you are going to read this conversation along with me. So you should appreciate the use of Passé Composé in this conversation. So it is a conversation between the professor and the student. Le professeur and l'étudiant. The professor and the student. So the professor asks, vous avez compris? Vous avez compris? You have understood? So the question is in the passé composé. Avez is avoir conjugation plus the past participle of comprendre. Vous avez compris? L'étudiant says no. So here the student is going to answer in the negative. So we are going to see how passé composé is used in the negative form. Non, je n'ai pas compris. I did not understand. So here we have avoir plus the past participle. Since the sentence is negative, we have ne and pas. So avoir plus past participle makes passé composé. If you add ne and pas before and after the auxiliary, we get the negative form. Moving on to the next, le professeur. Vous avez lu le texte? Have you read the text? Vous avez lu le texte? L'étudiant. Again, the student has to say no. Je n'ai pas lu le texte. So here, avoir, for vous it is avez. Lu is the past participle of the verb lire, means to read. Vous avez lu le texte? Have you read the text? Non, je n'ai pas lu le texte. So again it is avoir, past participle, ne and pas. So I hope you understood that. Moving on to the next, le professeur. Vous avez appris la conjugation? You have understood the conjugation. Vous avez appris la conjugation? So here the student says, non, je n'ai pas travaillé. No, I did not do. I have not worked. I did not work. Vous avez appris la conjugation? This is avoir plus the past participle. This is the past participle of the verb apprendre. So now the student says, no, I have not worked. Travailler. So this is avoir plus the past participle of the verb travailler. It is an ER verb. So we replace ER with E accent. And since the sentence is negative, we add ne and pas. So I hope you understood how we use passé composé in a question and how to answer in passé composé in the negative. So now you must be thorough with how to use passé composé.